So from this old cabinet I sold almost, I think, 95% of all the electronics, and I had empty cabinet and I need plate but without those holes, so I will cut with angle grinder piece of plate, and this will be my template for pulling grinder. So this is how it looks now. So this is drive that I did not sell because it looks definitely for garbage. Fan looks like it was in melted sugar. So this is definitely for garbage. It had some repairs here, and also all this was changed. Here something is changed. Only that I will use is this housing for fuse. So that is good. That is good. And also inside some wires. It looks strange to me. It looks strange to me, and probably I'm not sure is this how they made. Anyway, wanted to record fan. So this is also for garbage. Old tubes. This is probably for bar feed, which I do not have, and some animal ate the box, or cat, I don't know, I'm not sure, but probably some animal. So this was here down or here up, and it served for holding glass. So this came here, and is it possible to see it was painted only from this side. So as I needed to paint all this, I needed to take it off, and now it's for garbage, and I think that I will drill hole. Need to decide where exactly, and same as on this glass, this holds only by screws. And also this goes for garbage. I replace this. It's not soft anymore, it's like it's hard. This one is softer. So this goes in garbage, and it's dirty. garbage. This is also garbage. Garbage. So I saved example of color that was loose from machine. So this is original color, and thickness is, I will measure thickness. Okay. So here and 0 and so this is the thickness from some area. I do not remember from which area, but 0.37 millimeters. Let's on some area it's even thicker on where is the edge of metal sheet. So 0.47, 0.37. So this is original color, and this is from my painting tray. So this is leftover from painting tray. But thing is that they are the same. They have same features. They are not totally elastic. So this is epoxy, and I assume this is also epoxy. So I can now put it in trash. It's very hard. So 0.3 millimeters is thickness of color, but I think it's one layer, not 3 layers as I made. So I have question. This is holder for internal light of machine. So this goes like this, and this comes like this. Okay, and I do not understand how this comes inside. So I had one screw here and I removed it, and also I have, so on this black part, 2 holes, and they are cool. They are matched with these holes on this, but up here it does not match, so I'm not sure how this should be mounted. So now I'm installing second glass. and for now it holds by two big neodymium magnets. One is down and one is here up, and I can move glass so I can align it with this edge. So when I close door, it is perfect align. And now I will secure it with clamps, and I will drill holes, 2 holes through metal, because I removed the inner thin metal in which glass needs to slide. So I removed from all 3 metal parts. So what I did, I take measurement of glass that I had, and as I removed thin metal plates that hold glass, and now I change the way how it's hold in frame. Now I want to hold it by screw. Now glass is too small, because I need to have enough space to drill hole for this screw. So it looks okay, but I have gap here, so glass needs to be 12 mm wider. And irony is that I had that kind of glass, and where I bought it, they cut me, so they had piece like I actually need right now. So I think that I will need to order new glass. My idea was to put this part like this, because I want to make it wider than it is, and to drill holes to this piece of flex and hold it here, and door will slide over that, and that is okay only in lower part of the door. So I can deform it. So this was my idea, but it's too big friction, so this is not good. So I will buy new glass, and that's it for today. So what I did, what else I did? So I fixed the light. So I have light inside. 60 watt bulb, but it cannot compare with 24 watt LED. But for dark conditions it's okay. So this is with light and without the light. So I'm trying to plug this with light, without light, with light. And this is how it looks from inside. So this part also I made today to hold this bracket, and I needed to, there were three holes on this piece, and thing is that this could be mounted only in this hole and under this angle, and that was too low, so I drilled another hole here and I made this holder so it's rigid. So that is for today. That is for today, and I was thinking how to mount the glass, and I concluded the best way for me is with screws. I do not need to glue anything, and like I said, I removed metal plates inside that originally were designed to hold glass, and as I do not have them anymore, I decided to drill holes, and I took the dimensions from glass that I had that was designed to slide inside, but for me that is too narrow, so I never figured out how to mount it, so I will need to buy wider glass. It's not so expensive, this. So this glass, this and this leftovers together with this, it's about €30. So only this glass, I think it will be €15. So this is for now update.